Hey, what's up, guys? This is Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. The first thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. In this case, on this Friday, June 22nd, this is the Mini Russell 2000 futures contract, front month in nature. Now looking at September, of course, looking at the last print of 1695, right around that key 1700 level. In fact, what we're looking at here is got a trade in the MSC DSC yesterday. Beautiful setup. Finally got a trade. There had been what, maybe a 4 weeks or so without a trade. We'll look at that in a second. But went short at 1701.50 and covered at 1692.20 for a gain of $900 for the day. Actually, we can go ahead and look at the. We can go ahead and pull up the. There we go. So $900 for the day. The previous trade was May 10th. So almost 6 weeks, 5 or 6 weeks. Now, as we've mentioned, MADSCDT, MADSC, these portfolios aren't active, aren't overactive. If you're looking for a trading fix, you're going to have to find that elsewhere. These are just very selective portfolios that only take some of the best setups. And as you can see, it's only had 2 losses out of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12 trades. So, or maybe that was 11 trades. So about 20%. So about 80% gains, for a gain of over 100% since the soft launch on April 3rd. And of course, that's 82% net of fees. Now, of course, these are hypothetical trades. We do have to stress that. We'll go ahead and minimize that. And of course, MADSCDT is part of the MADSC, which, as you can see, also, of course, got the trade and now stands at a gain of 72% for a $25,000 portfolio. MADSCDT is a $5,000 portfolio. And as you can see, even more impressive is the win percentage for the MADSC, which is able to take advantage of the swing setups, which is a considerable portion of our methodology. So we'll go ahead and minimize that. But as you can see, beautiful entry, covered near the lows, shorted right before the breakdown. So beautiful trade. We'll go ahead and look at the daily chart of the S&P. Now, as we mentioned in last week's video, we had our official market timing switched to neutral, and we were looking for a move right around 2700 to 2720. It's been kind of a slow trek, to be honest. And of course, we do have this monstrous level of horizontal support resistance, which was going to be the upper side of our band of support. We anticipated maybe a little bit of a flush out move to 2700. 2725 is the upper band. Got really close to 2735, and the market bounced markedly. Market bounced markedly off of that level, but we're holding on for a little bit more exposure. We actually have a short position in the MADSC. Oh, we actually could have looked at that a second ago, but we actually have a short position in the MADSC. Go ahead and pull that back up here. So the MADSC actually has a short position in the ES swing OMT based methodology. 2792 is the entry. 2752 was yesterday's close. The position is currently open. 40 points for the gain. $1,970. Again, that's why you're able to participate in these beautiful swing setups. $1,970, so $3,000 for the MADSC in the month of June. Very selective trading opportunities, but here's the short position. It was actually just like this. It was an OMT trade. Went long, $4,000 a contract there. $2,000 a contract so far. We actually just got a S&P System 1.0 buy, which was interesting, counter intuitive to this OMT short setup, but we're going to let it ride, hopefully down to 2700 to 2725 as mentioned, and that's kind of where we stand on the market. Definitely neutral. We've now broken the short-term measure of trend following significance. Going to come down here to the intermediate term measure of trend following significance. We do not expect, it's possible. It is possible to get down to 2600 to 2650. It's very possible. Retest this swing low, the convergence with the this little band of support, along with the be-all, end-all of trend following significance in the 200s. So we could get down there. Will we get down there? Remains to be seen. Will we be covering our short position in the MADSC, around 27, probably 27.30. As soon as we can get a flush out below this 27.50 mark, going to go ahead and cover our profits, book our profits. Having said that, cover the short position. Having said that, this market really does seem to like 27.50. Boom. Errant break, right back down. Boom. Errant break, right back down. 27.50. So we're getting a lot of errant moves above 27.50. But as you can see, it's kind of a nice round number. 2750, 3000, 2500, 2250, etc. So it's a nice odd round number, if you will. And right up here, 2750, almost, and then finally breaking. Is this going to be an errant move? We might get some support here, but we're going to look for a flush out down here to cover the position. If you guys are interested, we can actually take a look and see how. So here's the MA System 1.0, just went long. Another. Of course, this system's been around for 15 years or so. As you can see, it's just gone hyperbolic. But another loss, or a loss for the S&P System 1.0, and now we're quickly in an errant move on this one, fortunately. And of course, it's been so quiet. Look at our trade manager, just nothing. It's been so quiet on this latest move, which is interesting. Now, having said that, the MACE has just been insane. $5,000 a contract. We actually mentioned that. $6,700 a contract. We actually mentioned that. But the crypto's been so quiet. Boost has been so quiet. Double has been so quiet. Marty got smacked the other day. This was very painful. Short near the lows, rode the thing the whole way up. This was very painful. Fortunately, over time, 10 to 1 reward to risk ratio, essentially. So, but Marty would definitely be. Marty is a tertiary portfolio. It's certainly good enough to be in the mix, but it's definitely a tertiary portfolio. MADSC, MADSCDT would be upper echelon. Doubler, crypto, MACE, and of course platinum. Platinum have to be top tier. So we can actually go to the oh, by the way, so you can get these trades delivered to you obviously via email, as we mentioned, and like here's an email, just a sample email to yesterday's trade was sell short the Russell 1701.50. Read to your broker. Stop loss 1706.20. Exit on the close. It's 4 p.m. New York close. And so you can get that delivered to your email, or of course you can get it delivered to in text form. We're going to talk briefly about the MADSC 62% net of fees. $25.50 is the annual subscription fee. MADSCDT is on special for $997. Basically paid for your year's subscription in yesterday's trade. Here's a sample of a text that you can get. That's the text you get. Sell short. Exactly what you just read in the email. So you can get these instantaneously to your phone. And of course you can read them to your broker. You can take the trade. You can not take the trade. You can have it auto traded. And you don't have to mess with it at all. The broker will actually take the trade for you and execute it. And of course you guys can take advantage of these portfolios. Go to the website. For instance, MADSCDT right there. Just a $5,000 portfolio. Quarterly special if you just want to try it out for 3 months, $497. And go ahead and add the cart, and we will get you set up for auto trading or these trade recommendations delivered right to your cell phone or email inbox. So, hope you guys are having a great trading week. If you have any questions, go to the website, chat with support team, or just shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. Again, hope you guys are having a great trading week and have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you next time.